Engaging with leaders from diverse countries and industries was truly rewarding. We discovered common challenges and their perspectives broadened mine. With the SMU faculty's expert facilitation, our collective learning was amplified, making the experience insightful and inspiring. The program was designed as a connected journey. It began with self-awareness through the Hogan assessment, then built into how we present and lead, developing sustainable, strategic, and agile leadership skills. What made it most impactful was applying all this in simulated environments, including crisis situations, where the learning became real and transformative. Leadership is a personal journey, and this program helped me uncover blind spots while reinforcing my strengths. These insights will guide me to lead myself better each day. Back at work, I'll apply them by being intentional in my interactions, leading with purpose, values, and ethics, not just tactics, so the impact extends to those I work with.